In primetime news this evening, stakeholders shocked by developments in NWC President Mark Barnett's case. Individuals charged for beating Clarendon teen granted bail after appearing in court. And $2 million gone in 2 days. More victims coming forward about online banking scams.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, more developments from the NCB Financial Group. Guess what? Work from home is about to end effective February 1. I'll have the details later on.
Okay, and Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Herman. Well, regional first-class cricket is set to return to Jamaica after an absence of 4 years. We'll have more details in Primetime Sports later.
And Romaine Robinson is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and the forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, the winds are going to be dying down as we move into the weekend, and we also have a higher chance of shower activity across eastern parishes in the morning. I'll let you know more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's been your experience with garbage collection so far in 2024?
You can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.